Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo Captain Smart abekire nadwen anase ode analysis aba out afa enano abatwa ekoso ewo NPP for camp na ewo ensema Captain Smart ekan no Ghana fu bi ama no reply Almo express Captain Smart fa wonse mu so ho for wasem so ho na Ghana fo ye ndwen ye ho na wankasa no oye empty onni me hwe na ebusuafo denti e na Ghana fo bi aka omadwen e de akire Captain Smart. Captain Smart abeye analysis afa ena no Saturday etwemi abato a ekoso ewo NPP for akache mekire super delegates omo adwen omo ekokire anase special delegates conference a ekoso ewo NPP amayoko ne mu no omo koto aba eyi mpanifo 5 because no omo ye 10 ena omo kosone so eyi 5 na 5 na omo eyi omo no eyi na eni nipa odikan eye vice president Dr. Bawumia ne otoso second eye honorable Kennedy akompre ko e Japan ena afen so ne odi third eye honorable Alan Cash na results eba out no ena Captain Smart nani abre ne konhuntin asori eti onia TV matching oso ena okensem adenya vice president Dr. Bawumia na NPP for ato abeyi ni no enya de bebonde anase ochina because vice president ebeye vice president economy no enkoyie oba no se obeche dollar ahani botom dollars no sisi we ne na me no yehunani so kra enti no Captain HRS nya de vice president Dr. Bawumia ebetimi ababeye president se wentimi endi bosha o she Ghana fo so a afen so NPP amayoko agi besia pa but Commander Sugar Factory eyade a esi ho anwe nese omo ntimi enwie na ene na Ghana fo bi ekase Captain Smart no adwen no eye okay bibia you all right and sometimes ne yafunti no de kasa enye Captain Smart ena okosh Commander Sugar Factory ekosa esichire bekire Ghana fo se factory no enrane no ana enye captain a eye Captain Smart na ansa na ubetimi akọ Commander Sugar Factory akọ akosa sugar abekire Ghana fo se factory no enrane no meaning moye expenses bia ewo company ni mu ehu se machine we ye behia ahwere se sika se ne ye de bedua ahwere se ne ye de bibia ansa na factory no run eba ne sen na his excellency na nadodan kwakufo do be president mbetiamu company no anase factory no e break it down wa we expect say NPP for ensanso enkonkoye no mana na Ghana fu bi HRS captain ankasa wo yale we be so yale sometimes o kasa o ye journalist for adwen eto ho na ebusuafo aside Ghana fo nsem o mo aka no oni bibi these are some of the things I say Ghana youths no yesua ne ehu say politicians and journalists for more Ghana they are just playing with our minds because Captain Kelvin Taylor ebetna the platform so Ndreke can same ekoti constitution no articles be a chere say obeye president say wenti miawie woniama wo predecessor na obeba na say obe complete na sa seminar journalist fo na bloggers o mokasa NDC fo na o moka no project ahe na wo Ghana ha no mo a NPP fo beye NDC fo ba o wenti miawie o moko project ahe na NDC fo beye ya o wenti miawie NPP fo ba mbeto aso ni na aka nwrem Ghana sika na say it's say youth no ye dream ye who say no these people are just playing with our minds. Captain Smart I hope so you journalist usua dia utina TV so kasa manfo bebre ato oniama wo yemu wontigai una wo ye perfect obekon amman Ghana. Have you been able to tell my parent that John Dramani Mahama so onko complete Commander Sugar Factory no mo ya ho investigation sika ko ma factory na ntimi anya ajuba come on Ghana youth, these are some of the questions I see. These are some of the things especially who say journalists, politicians, they don't care about us. because the Captain Smart what work as a Commander Sugar Factory no. One abrasion okosa sugar ni be out better and say factory no ye adwuma no. Ana machines no dey na ye papa. Somebody as usual, mutu me ya kwan inde ade che na etutu. Ana ebusuanfo yenti ensema Captain Smart e de etudwa na ye meti adwenkyira Ghana football so e de ama no.
No kwasem nyame nim. Memfa ho ni sika wo beje a wo bekwa akoto aba. Eno nyamasem. Me de meka no kra kire ho. Economist wo wiase mu a onim hwe.
Number
one. Okay, try and say. NDC led by Mahama. Enya $30 billion. Na say one will net $30 billion. A crab beer ni Ghana ha. Onye nsuo nom. Bawumia from 2017 7 January to 31st December 2020. Na manya sika pore $77.5 billion. Check kroa nsuo ho.
Ajeta.
Oye economist ade o kan bia
Ajeta.
Alan so ka kire yen say. Mahama aye Commander Sugar Factory. Ajiagu. Woma kwaji $25 million. Ye de bi dua ahwede ye. Ni ye de bi awura factory nim. Besin ne. Ahwede o factory o. Edin emaye. Eti wo mienu no hwan na betimi aboa.
Jesus Christ, oh no one knows.
What do you know to China? Bawumia ka kire yen say. Watch $1. Add not to them. If you bye. Watch $1.
Ajeta.
Add not to them. No, this Safwana Kokuta. IGP or no Mahamadou Bawumia. Oh, yeah, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Or no, yeah, the Chairman of the Police Council. I recommend you may appointing no or penny me money.
Ajeta.
IGP say Safwano where who yeah. Ata iya befa.
Wey say journalist Kwasia, are you not the one who went there with sugar and told Ghanaians that the sugar factory is working? Why didn't that your useless Mahama complete it? If you don't leave Bawumia and stop fooling Abua the captain wasuma when so set yaw and I say useless journalist Kwasia Abua Biba. You are saying this because of your stomach. Abua. I mean Sisudio. Useless journalist Kwasia Abua Biba. You are saying this because of your stomach. And same way and a Captain Smart. What and as a Ghana for beyond the amount. So Commander Sugar Factory now come boss on the wa boyen chems wa kai yasem because Commander youth omwani abre omunya adwuma anye thinking say nka factory no Ghana fo mpanifo ebebo modern e di sika hyem na ka yaja sugar yakra e wa manone dabi pani bia fa wesi wanwe ne se His Excellency na dan kwaku fa do mo ba Ukraine no e na omo akọhọ no ma na say hu say sugar about I free factory ni mu ensi hu obi akosi say da so ya adwuma say nya adwuma echi ne behwe echira asema kan ne hu say factory na run ya e di sembo ama His Excellency o say ade yo na do dankwa ekufo ado ensem say na Ghana fo bi e de ama Captain Smart